Yama the mama, llama gamma goop.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Hey, buddy. You want this Cheetos? Jesus Christ! Oh, God, not again! Not again! Not again!
Everyone needs a little time to relax. And since we switched the game fabrics off,
Telling them, give me the Sheba next time because the meow make. Hey, yo, who was that on your goddamn forehead?
Mikkel. Sit.
People always ask if my dog's friendly, and I always tell them no. Then they ask, is she gonna bite me? And I tell them no, worse. She's gonna judge you.
Tried to stretch my legs, but my feet were cold.
You know how to get yourself down. Monroe, what are you doing?
Stay. Stay.
I wanted to share the best ingredient, in my opinion, for eggs. Thank you. See.
He's a liar and a fucking snake. Fuck you.
Well, guys, we thought Bentley was going to be a dad, and those are all black. We haven't let him see yet, so this may get kind of...
En dessous, mon gars.
Haiku, can you sing?
Bro, why you at the house? You said you was go beat my ass after class. Why you run home so fast? Come outside. I'm here. Come outside. Talking all that smack about my mama. Now you won't come out here and face me like a real cat. Bring your ass out the house and face me like a real cat. You said you was gonna beat my ass after class, but I don't care if your mama filming this. Boy, I'll whoop you. I'll whoop you at your house. Come outside.